Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure DocuSign for AI generated contract summaries. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the DocuSign website. Log into your DocuSign account using your credentials. Once logged in, access the dashboard. Locate and select the templates option in the menu. Click on the Create Template button to start a new template. Fill in the template name and description for easy identification. Select the document type you want to use for the AI-generated summaries. Upload the document from your device by clicking on the Upload button. Once the document is uploaded, click on the Next button. Add the required fields where signers need to fill out information. After placing the fields, select the Add Role option. Define the roles for signers according to your contract needs. Assign the appropriate fields to each role you've created. Next, navigate to the Advanced Settings menu. Here, you'll find options related to document visibility and sharing. Adjust the settings according to your preferences for AI integration. Now, go to the Integrations tab on the dashboard. Search for the AI integration tool you want to use for contract summaries. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the integration. After integrating, return to your template and finalize all changes. Click on Save and Close to complete the setup. Now you can send out contracts to be signed with AI-generated summaries. Monitor your documents in the dashboard for tracking their status. Review the AI-generated summaries to ensure they meet your needs. Adjust configurations as necessary to refine your process. Your DocuSign account is now integrated for AI-generated contract summaries. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.